Omada welcomes you to our copy trading platform. In this video, we'll go through how to start copying your first Omada verified signal provider as quickly as possible. There is a separate video explaining in depth on the different settings that Omada offers if you're interested. Now let's get to it. After logging in, this is the dashboard that you will see. To view the list of Omada signal providers, click Start Copying. Here, you will find the list of signal providers on the bottom of the page. Click on your preferred signal provider's profile button. Click on the Copy button at the top right of the page. A pop-up will appear for you to create the new subscription. To get the most out of your trades, we will suggest you take a look at different copy trading settings that Omada provides. First up is the setting called Provider Filters. Hit the Edit button and a pop-up will show the settings for direction, minimum and maximum lots. Let's break that down. Changing the direction will allow you to copy buy and/or sell signals made by the signal provider. You can copy all signals by choosing the All option. Setting a minimum lot will mean that if a signal provider enters a trade that is below the minimum lots, the trade will not be copied. The same works for maximum lots, in which case, if the lot size entered is above maximum lots, the trade will not be copied. In subscription strategy, you get to set volume scaling, compared value, risk ratio, and copy direction. In volume scaling, there are three options: auto scaling, multiply, and fixed. For auto scaling, the system will automatically scale your copied trade lot size in proportion to the signal provider's entered lot size. Multiply will copy your trades with a multiplier of the lot size entered by the signal provider. The multiplier is determined by the risk ratio number. A fixed option, as the name implies, copies all trade with the same size determined too by the risk ratio number. Under copy direction, you have the option to reverse copy the signal provider. This option allows you to set how many open trades you would like to have at any time. Finally, for risk management, you will see total loss level, floating loss level, total profit, and floating loss level action. Let's go through them one by one. For total loss level, once your total realized losses have reached for this signal provider, you will automatically unsubscribe from the signal provider. Floating loss level looks at the open trade losses in your account. Once your open trade losses hit this level, the specified action under floating loss level action will be triggered. The total profit option checks the total realized profits with this signal provider, and once you hit the amount set, you will automatically unsubscribe from this signal provider. Floating loss level action works together with the floating loss level amount set earlier. Once the level is hit, you can choose from the list of three things that can happen. The difference between close unprofitable position and close all unprofitable positions is that under the former option, trades will be closed one by one until your account has a P&L that is lower than the floating loss level. Choosing close all unprofitable position will close all unprofitable trades all at once. Once you have done your settings, you can click on Activate to start copying trades. It's that simple. Here are some of the common settings that our clients are using to copy our verified signal provider.